Today's traffic rules were made for humans, for our reflexes, our mistakes, our way of driving. But the world is changing. In 2100, roads won't belong just to people anymore. They'll belong to robots, AI, and autonomous systems. Let's see what the traffic laws of the future might look like. In the year 2100, speed is no longer a personal decision, it's a global agreement. The Speed Harmony Law connects every vehicle through one shared AI network. Cars accelerate and slow down in perfect sync, reacting to weather, traffic, and even your heartbeat. There are no reckless drivers, no speeding tickets, no accidents. The goal isn't just to move faster, it's to make sure everyone keeps moving safely. In this world, the road itself cares about your life. In 2100, roads don't just carry cars, they power them. Under the asphalt lies a network of wireless energy coils, charging every vehicle that passes above. Gas and diesel? Gone. Cars, trucks, even buses draw power directly from the road, keeping their batteries full while in motion. These e-highways are alive. They collect solar energy by day and share it with travelers by night. A world where stopping for fuel is ancient history, and movement itself becomes the source of power. By 2100, the sky won't just be empty space, it will be a highway. Millions of drones will fly above cities, delivering food, medicine, and supplies, all coordinated by AI. The Drone Airlane Act creates invisible skyways, where every meter of altitude has a purpose. Smart buildings will have landing pads, and drones will communicate with robots on the ground. Collisions? Impossible. Delays? History. The sky becomes the new road, and the air itself becomes alive with movement. In 2100, cars drive themselves, and humans just watch. When accidents happen, no one's to blame. Guilt is gone, replaced by system accountability. Every autopilot logs its choices. And when it fails, the AI core doesn't punish, it learns. One mistake updates millions. But even perfect code can break. When a life is lost, the human loss protocol begins, turning tragedy into evolution. Now, justice has two faces. AI judges logic, humans judge the soul. Together, they build a world where punishment ends and progress begins. In the year 2100, robots don't just serve us, they share the streets with us. Food delivery, construction, logistics, all handled by tireless robotic workers. And now, they have the legal right to cross the road. Smart crosswalks detect them instantly, stopping traffic when a delivery bot or service unit approaches. Cars recognize them as digital citizens, registered, protected, and respected. Humans have moved on to intellectual work, while robots handle the physical world. And on these future streets, both walk side by side. In the world of 2100, the streets are alive, shared by humans, machines, and intelligent systems working as one. Robots walk beside us, cars think for themselves, and every move is part of a connected rhythm. The future isn't about replacing humanity, it's about evolving together, building cities where progress walks hand in hand with life itself. Thank you for watching, see you later.